The Isuzu 100P double cab refrigerated truck is a 6-seater refrigerated truck suitable for both passenger and cargo transport. It offers 120 or 132 horsepower engines and a 4.2-meter cargo box, making it suitable for supermarket logistics, fruit and vegetable transportation, and cold chain logistics. Power configuration. This 3.245-meter double cab van features a 132 horsepower Kingling Isuzu 4KK1N6LB engine. The Kingling Isuzu 4KK1N6SD engine utilizes turbocharging and intercooling technology, offering strong power, low fuel consumption, and reliable durability. The new engine is more powerful, with optimized power and low-speed torque output, improving overall load capacity and climbing performance. Suitable scenarios. Suitable for supermarket logistics. Capable of carrying both passengers and cargo with a rear seat for 3 people.